Where you going, Gus? You going to the kitchen? You gonna go see Grandma?
Hi, Gus. Hi, Gus.
Why don't you go in and see
Grandma
Grandma?
hug.
Go give
Grandma hug.
Grandma a hug.
Oh, big hug.
That's a boy.
Big hug. Big hug.
That nice?
Milk? You want milk? That's not milk. All right, you have to ask your daddy to get the milk.
Want some juice, Gus?
Want juice? What's the snowman? Frosty.
You have a snowman?
Frosty. Frosty the snowman. Where's the tree? Where's the tree? Where's the tree? Find the tree. There's the tree. That's the tree.